In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix paper jam in your Canon Maxify GX6000 series printer. Once you see a paper jam, you will see the main screen displays port code 1304. You will see the error code 1304. To remove the paper jam, there are a few things we can do. The first thing is to try to pull out the paper from here. So we can see it is stuck and it's not easy to take it out. So we have to lift this section, open the ink chamber and have a look inside. So we can see the paper is badly stuck inside, so we might need to pull it out with extra force from here. And if anything is stuck inside, we can also take from other side. Yeah, so we are able to take it out. Otherwise you just tear from here and take it out. Close the ink chamber. Go to the display panel. Press OK to clear. Yeah, so once you see the main screen is back, that means your paper jam is clear. Thanks for watching.